Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel again. In this video, I explain to you how to remove the Learn About This picture icon from the Windows 11 desktop. If this small icon bothers you, don't worry. There is an easy way to remove it. This icon is part of the Windows Spotlight feature, and although it is useful for some people, it may seem annoying, and we will learn the steps on how to remove it. I will use the Registry editor to remove this icon. Type in the search box, Registry editor, and open it as an administrator, so that you can get all the features while using it. And in the Registry editor, on the left side, navigate to open the path that appears in front of you on the screen, and I will leave you the path in the video description to facilitate access to the path in the Registry editor. After opening the path, on the other side, right-click and from the menu, select New, and from there, click on DWORD 32-bit value. From the menu, then, set the value name to the name that appears in front of you on the screen. And I will also leave it for you in the video description, so that you can create it easily. Then double-click on it, change value data from 0 to 1. And click OK. Now you can close the Registry editor window, and then restart the computer, so that the changes made to the Registry editor are saved. After logging in again, the Windows Spotlight icon will disappear from your desktop, and thus to learn more about this image icon will no longer be on your desktop. The desktop will now be free of that annoying icon. In case you want to restore the icon at any time later, you can remove the value you created in the registry, and the icon will be returned to the desktop again. For more tech tips and tricks, let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope the video was useful to you, and I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.